Then one day, in 29 AD, Jesus Christ reached Jerusalem riding on a donkey. There he had his last supper with all his disciples, and there Jesus Christ explained in signs what was going to happen to him. There itself a conspiracy was hatched to punish him. One of his disciples, Judas, betrayed him, due to which he was arrested, and then in the Jewish General Assembly, he was ordered to be sentenced to death because he claimed to be the Son of God. Under pressure, Pilate, the governor of the Roman Empire, accepted this order of the Jews, and to avoid any kind of rebellion in the kingdom, he ordered Jesus to be crucified. To hang Jesus Christ on the cross, he was first made to wear a crown of thorns. Then he was asked to carry a heavy cross. Jesus Christ lifted that cross and walked to the place where he was crucified. The place where Jesus Christ was crucified is known as Golgotha. This place is in the Christian area in Israel's capital Jerusalem. This is called the Hill of Calvary. There is the Church of Flagellation at this place. The path from the holy sculpture to the Church of Flagellation is considered to be the path of suffering. There are 9 historical and holy places during the journey. The Church of Flagellation is considered to be the place where Jesus was publicly condemned and crucified on the hill of Golgotha.